You guys can see I was able to get the caliper piston basically back in. I thought it was seized, but it wasn't. I used this special kit. Guys, this is not the one you need. You need to have a special adapter, which is that comes on these. And I got this from AutoZone. I rented it from. And all you do is literally, you put this in there like this, right? And the two little nubs, they lock into the channel, and you just go clockwise. And you can lock it in. Mine worked for me, guys. So I'm very happy. I thought this thing was shot, but it's not the case. And I just cleaned out this whole pretty much assembly here, and hopefully I got all the dirt and grime out of there. So here's another look at the kit, guys. Literally just, these are adapter pieces and they just go on, obviously. So this one worked the best for me. So highly recommend this tool, guys. If you don't have one and you're doing rear brakes, you definitely want to invest in one of these or rent one of these. Got the adapter right here. Right, guys, and as you can see, I just got this side all completed. The piston is compressed on this side as well. Still good, still original. You guys can hear, pretty sure this side has a worn wheel bearing, or at least it's failing anyways. You could just see all the dust and dirt back there, and I feel like it all seeped in.
Ready?
All right, go ahead.
Oh, shut off.
Oh! Yes.
Is it still on?
Bro, there's like spirals.
Yeah, dude.
Absolutely gorgeous day out, guys, right now. You can see I got my brake cleaner and my Hawk pads, and today I'm gonna take advantage of the weather because I got out early from work too, and I'm gonna get the SI back together. Coming out to midnight, you guys can see this thing's been sitting like this for probably, I don't know, I want to say maybe like 3 days now. So originally I was just gonna like wait and get new wheel bearings, guys, but honestly, I think that these wheel bearings still have life left on them. So, I mean, if I can get like another 20, 30K miles out of them, why not? You know, why waste the money right now? Plus, I'm trying to save money on the, or save money for the K24 build. I want to get this thing back on the road because I need to do some work to the EX, guys. This thing's leaking oil like crazy. All right, guys, I'm also using my phone again today, so if the quality is kind of like hit or miss, apologies. I'm working on getting a SD card for the GoPro. We're gonna start on this side just because I have my, you know, tarp down, my little blanket or whatnot. So we're gonna start on this side. Some things we're doing today, obviously we got the new Performance Raybestos rotors. I have some new pin boots, caliper pin boot things, thingamajiggers. These right here I'm gonna put on, and I have some grease and stuff. Grease. Show you guys, look at that. Wow, that thing is a beaut, guys. Beaut. Brand freaking new. Wow, that thing looks amazing. Now we're gonna clean this off, guys. Got some oil on it. Just make sure you spray it down. Spraying it down with some brake clean right now. Just gonna wipe this thing down. A little brass brush here, obviously. I'm gonna spray this thing down. We're gonna clean this thing off. I gotta clean the slides or the shims because unfortunately I didn't get new shims, guys. I'm just gonna reuse the old ones. Don't recommend it, but it is what it is. All right, as you guys can see, I took the brush on the shims. Hold on, let me refocus. So I took the brush on the shims. Those actually look pretty decent. Now I got to get these pins out. So I just folded that boot down. You can see the grease in there all dried up. So we're definitely going to replace these. It's a good thing I thought it over and I was like, yeah, I'll replace them, whatever. And that one's torn. You guys can see, actually. Let me zoom in. But when I fold this, that's torn right there. So eventually all the grease would just leak out of that thing anyways. So we'll get these things out of here. Actually impressed, guys. This is the O'Reilly's one, guys. And this is the OEM. So as you guys can see, they're literally the same thing, except this is just expanded, guys, because from all the heat in just years. So I'm going to send it with these ones and see how it does. Good as new, guys. Wow. I'm actually impressed. O'Reilly's. And that's OEM. Which grease do I want to use? Synthetic. You know what? I'm gonna go with the Hawk, guys. I'm going Hawk grease for the win, baby. That's awesome looking. Look at that. It's all like red, so I'm gonna just put some right here, right on the top for right now. And then what I'm gonna do is take my pin. I'm gonna wipe this old crap off. The red grease on, Hawk grease. We're gonna mount the caliper bracket on. These are 14 millimeters. Just go ahead and put these back in. Got the caliper bracket on, as you can see. Now we're ready to put these Hawk performance pads on. I cannot wait to try these freaking things out, guys. All right, there's that one. You can get the caliper back on. Guys, just tightening my caliper screws here that go into the basically bracket. I got my adjustable here because since there's grease on the end of that thing, it just wants to spin on both sides. Here, I'll demonstrate. So see how that thing is spinning around. You got to hold it with an adjustable. Guys, you can see basically finished. All I need to do is attach my e-brake cable right here. And the bracket has two 12 millimeter bolts on the bottom, obviously. Once again, I'm running the Hawk pads. I'm running Hawk HPS pads, and I'm running Raybestos Performance Blank rotors. So this is going to be my setup for the rear. Most likely, I'm going to do the Raybestos in the front once those pads are worn out and once those rotors are shot. But I hope you guys like this video. There's how it looks with the finished product, guys. Can't beat the simplicity of the regular blank rotors, guys. I honestly love the way they look, and I'm really excited to try the Hawk pads. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I have to get the second side done because I'm running out of daylight here, as you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give me a like. I know a lot of you guys love the Hawk pads and stuff, so drop your comments down below on what you think. Subscribe if you want to see more content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, never stop wrenching. All right, guys. Just finishing up the other side. As you can see, I literally have the pads on. All I need to do is basically put the caliper on and then put the bracket screws in for the pin bolts. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys, to try these things out. I heard great reviews on them, and I can't wait to see how they perform. Your boy Gerb is freaking stoked. Oh, Jesus. Made in China. That's not good. Corona. Both wheels are assembled, guys. I got my little LED light out here, and it's officially dark as heck. So I'm wrapping this up, guys. I'm going to take this thing for a test drive. Stay tuned for how I like the brakes. I'll be putting that up in the next video. And stay tuned, guys, for a new interior mod. Shifter mod, should I say. So it's gonna be sick. I posted on my IG. If you guys want to check out my IG story, it's right there, guys. Gerb_productions. Give me a follow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.